everyone, welcome back to Nagesh Kareski Orchid School. Dear students, in our last session we have completed exercise 5.11. Now today we are going to see about the capacity. So open your textbook page number 71. Look at the board here. What is meant by capacity? Capacity is the amount a container can hold. We measure liquids such as milk, petrol or kerosene with the help of containers whose capacity is known. The standard units of capacity are liters and milliliters. Suppose if we want to measure the capacity of liquid, any liquid, then that time we have to use the unit liter or milliliter. Okay, so here 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Okay, milliliter 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. ml stands for milliliter. ml is the short form of milliliter and this L is the short form of liter. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Understood? A milliliter is a very small unit of capacity. See, a milliliter is a very small unit of capacity. The capacity of a teaspoon is about 5 ml. The capacity of a teaspoon is about 5 ml. A liter is a bigger unit of capacity. The capacity of your water bottle is about 1 liter. The capacities of some common containers are, now here we will see some containers and their capacity. Now here you can see one spoon is there. So what is the capacity of this spoon? About 15 ml. Okay, it is a very small unit. The capacity of the spoon is very small. Okay, so the capacity of this spoon is about 15 ml. Then see the capacity of this cup. Here in this cup the capacity of this cup is 150 ml. Here you can see a glass of milk. So what is the capacity of this glass? About 250 ml. Then here you can see one water bottle is there. So the capacity of this water bottle is 500 ml. Now here one jug is there. The capacity is near about 1 liter of this jug. Then you can see here one more jug is there. It is a bigger jug. The capacity of this jug is near about 2 liter. Now the bucket capacity of this bucket is about 15 liter. And here one big tank is there. Water tank is there. So what is the capacity of this water tank? It's near about 500 liter. It is a bigger unit. The capacity is bigger than this other object. Okay, now we'll move to the next page. Turn your page. Here we will see how to convert liter into milliliters or milliliter into liters. So conversion of capacity is done in the same way as conversion of weight. How we have done the conversion of weight, in that same way only we have to convert this capacity also. Now we will see two examples and then we'll move to the next exercise, that is 5.12. So look at the board here. Convert 8 liters into milliliters. Now here just now I told you 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now here we have to convert this 8 liter into milliliter. So here first step is 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. If 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, then 8 liter is equal to what? 8 into 1000. See, if you want to convert liter into milliliter, then you have to multiply by 1000 because 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So here we have to convert this 8 liter into milliliter. So here we have to multiply by 1000. So 8 into 1000 is equal to 8000 ml. Now we'll see the exercise 5.12. See the first question. Convert into milliliters. Here first example is 6 liter. Now here we have to convert this 6 liter into milliliter. So what is the first step? Yes, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So here we have 6 liter and this 6 liter we have to convert into milliliter. So 6 into what we have to do? 6 into 1000 ml. If we will multiply it by 1000, then that liter will convert into milliliter. So 6 into 1000 is equal to what? 6000 liter. Okay. Now see the second example. 8 liter. 8 liter is equal to what? 8000 milliliter. Then 5 liter. 5 liter. First step, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. If 1 liter is equal to 1000, then 5 liter is equal to what? 5 into 1000 we have to do, or else simply we can give 3 zeros. So 5000 ml. Okay. Next example, see the fifth one. 6 liter 706 milliliter. 6 liter and 706 milliliter. 6 liter 706 milliliter. Now see students, in this example liter and milliliter both the units are there. Okay, liter and milliliter both the units are there, and that we have to convert into milliliter. So first what we will do, this liter will convert into milliliter. Okay, this milliliter we will keep as it is. So 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 milliliter. Now here in this example we have 6 liters. So we will convert this 6 liter into milliliter first. So 6 liter is equal to 6 into 1000, that is 6000 milliliter. Okay. Now what is the example? 6 liter and 706 milliliter is equal to. Now here already we have converted 6 liter into milliliter. 6 liter is equal to what? 6000 milliliter. In that we have to add this 706 milliliter. Okay, so let us do the addition. Now 6000 plus 706 milliliter. What is the addition? 6706 milliliter. Understood how to solve? One more example we will take. See the last example. 9 liter and 90 milliliter. 9 liter and 90 milliliter. In the same way only we have to solve this example. This is 12th example. What is the first step? 1 liter is equal to what? 1000 milliliter. Now here in this example we have 9 liters. Okay, so first we will convert this 9 liter into milliliter. So 9 liter is equal to 9 into 1000, that is 9000 milliliter. Okay, 9000 milliliter. Then what is the example? That example we will write as it is. So here 9 liter 90 milliliter is there. Already we have converted this 9 liter into milliliter. 9 liter is equal to what? 9000 milliliter. In that we have to add this 90 ml. Okay, so do the addition. 9000 plus 90, yes, 9090 ml. Okay, so 9 liter 90 milliliter is equal to what? 9090 milliliter. Now we will see how to convert liter and milliliter. How to convert into liter and milliliter. This is about how to convert into milliliter. See here, They had given us in liter and we have converted into milliliter. Sorry, here not liter, here milliliter is there. So here we have converted liter into milliliter, and also here we have converted liter and milliliter into milliliter only. Now we will see how to convert into liters and milliliters. If they had given us in milliliter, then how to convert liter and milliliter. Now next exercise 5.13, convert into liters and milliliters. Convert into liters, L stands for liters, and milliliter. ml means milliliter. First example, 5000 ml. 5000 ml. Now this 5000 ml we have to convert into liter. Okay, so what is the first step? Yes, 1000 ml is equal to how many liters? Yes, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here we write 1 liter. This is our first step. Now here we have 5000 ml. So 5000 ml is equal to what? Just we have to remove the 3 zeros from the right side, because to convert liter into milliliter we have to multiply by 1000. Means here if we want to convert milliliter into liter, then that time we have to remove 3 zeros or we have to divide by 1000. Okay, so here we have 5000, means here we have to remove 3 zeros, then it will be converted into liter. So 5000 ml is equal to 5 liter. Next example, 1000 ml. It's very easy. 1000 ml is equal to what? 1 liter. Okay. Next, 2000 ml. 2000 ml. Now the first step is 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. If 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter, then 2000 ml is equal to how many liters? 2 liters. We have to convert, we have to remove these 3 zeros, then it will be converted into liter. Now see the fourth example, 7000 ml. First step, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. Then here we have 7000 ml. 7000 ml is equal to what? 7 liter. Just you have to remove 3 zeros. Okay. Next example, fifth example, 3245 milliliter. 3245 milliliter. Now see students, here this milliliter we have to convert into liter and milliliter. Okay. Now see first step. What is the first step? Yes, first we have to split up this number. Okay. What is the capacity here? 3245 ml is equal to what? What we have to do? Just we have to split up the number first. Here 3245 ml is equal to, first we will write 3000 ml plus, in that we will add this 245 ml. Isn't it? 3245 ml is equal to what? 3000 ml plus 245 ml. Now see students, here 3000 ml. This 3000 ml we will convert into liter. You know very well 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here we have 3000 ml. Now 3000 ml means how many liters? 3 liters, correct. So here I'll write 3 liter plus 245 milliliter. Now in the step 3, just you have to remove this plus sign and you will write 3 liter 245 milliliter. So 3245 milliliter is equal to 3 liter 245 milliliter. Next example, sixth one, 5500 ml. Sixth one, 5500 ml. Now what is the first step? Yes, first we will split up the number. 5500 ml is equal to, how will you write? 5000 ml plus 500 ml. Okay. Now 5000 ml is equal to how many liters? Yes, 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So 5000 ml is equal to how many liters? 5 liters. Just you have to remove these 3 zeros. So 5 liter plus 500 ml. Okay. Now in the step 3, you have to remove this plus sign only and write as it is 5 liter 500 milliliter. Means 5500 ml is equal to 5 liter and 500 ml. Next, seventh one, 8050 ml. 8050 ml. First we will split up this number. 8050 ml is equal to 8000 ml plus 50 ml. Okay. Now see here, 8000 ml is equal to how many liters? Yes, 8000 liter is equal to 8 liters. So here we will write 8 liters plus 50 ml. Now in the step 3, only you have to remove this plus sign. So 8 liter 50 ml. 8050 ml is equal to 8 liter 50 ml. Next example, see the 8th one, 1001 ml. 1001 ml. Write down the first step. 1001 ml is equal to, split up this number 1001. Yes, how will you split up? 1000 ml plus 1 ml means 1001 ml. Now in the step 2, this 1000 ml is equal to how many liters? 1 liter. So here we will write 1 liter plus 1 ml. Now step 3, just remove plus sign. 1 liter and 1 ml. 1 liter and 1 ml is equal to what? 1001 milliliter. Okay. Next example, see the 10th one, 6250 ml. Next example, 8050 ml. Now 8050 ml is equal to, split up the number. 8050 ml, we will write this number in this way. 8000 ml plus 50 ml. What I have done here, 8050 is equal to 8000 plus 50. In this way only I have written this number. Now 8000 ml is equal to what? 8 liter, because 1000 ml is equal to 1 liter. So here 8000 ml is equal to 8 liter. Then this 50 ml we are going to keep as it is. Then 8 liter and 50 milliliter means 8050 milliliter is equal to 8 liter 50 milliliter. Next example, see the 9th one, 7725 milliliter. 7725 milliliter. Yes, step 1, 7725 milliliter is equal to, you have to split up this number, 7000 ml plus 725 milliliter. Okay, now tell me 7000 ml is equal to what? 7000 ml is equal to how many liters? Yes, 7 liters. Okay, plus 725 milliliter. Now 7 liter, remove this plus sign and write the milliliter. How many milliliters we have? 725. So 7725 milliliter is equal to 7 liter 725 milliliter. Last example, 5656 ml. 5656 ml. Now what is the first step? 5656 ml is equal to what? Split up the number, write in this way, 5000 ml plus 656 ml. Now 5000 ml is equal to 5 liters. So here we will write 5 liter plus 656 milliliter. Now in the step 3, we will remove only plus sign. So 5 liter 656 milliliter. 5656 milliliter is equal to 5 liter and 656 milliliter. Understood how to solve, how to convert into liters and milliliters? Okay. Now we are going to see the next exercise, exercise 5.14. In that we are going to see how to do the addition of capacity. Look at the board here. See the first one. Here 13 liter 288 milliliter plus 78 liter 70 milliliter. Okay, now we will see all the sums one by one. Here first we will add milliliters. Okay, from the right side always we have to do the addition or subtraction. Okay, here at the right side ml column is there, so we will add first milliliters. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8. Then 8 plus 7, 8 plus 7. After 8 you have to count your 7 fingers. So 8 plus 7, 15. So what you will write here? 5 and we will give 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3. Okay. Now we will move to the liters column. See here in liters, how many liters are there here? 3 and here 8. 3 plus 8, 11. So we will write here 1 and we will give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 7, 9. Okay, so what is the answer? 91 liter 358 milliliters. Next, 78 liter 193 milliliter plus 65 liter 650 milliliter. See here 3 plus 0, 3. 9 plus 5. Yes, after 9, count your 5 fingers. 9 plus 5, 14. So here we will write 4 and we will give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Then see the liters column. Here 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, yes, 13. Correct. So what you will write here? 3 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 6, Correct, 14. So write here 14. So what is the answer? 143 liter, 843 milliliter. Okay. Next example. 749 liter, 969 milliliter plus 262 liter, 43 milliliter. Now add the milliliters first. 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3, 12. So we will write here 2 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. So write here 1 and give 1 carry. 1 plus 9, 10. So again here 0 and 1 carry. Here now we have to add liters. 1 plus 9, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. Okay. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. So here we will write 1 and we will give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So what is the answer? 1012 liter and 12 milliliter. Okay. Next here 78 liter, 743 milliliter plus 49 liter, 497 milliliters. First you have to add the milliliters. Here 3 plus 7. After 3 you have to count your 7 fingers. 3 plus 7, 10. So here we will write 0 and we will give 1 carry. Okay. Then 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, yes, 14. So write here 4 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So we will write here 2 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. So write here 8 and we will give 1 as a carry. Then here see this column, 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. So the answer is 128 liter, 240 milliliter. Next, see the fifth one. Here 263 liter, 648 milliliter. Then 89 liter, 293 milliliter. 4 liter, 8 milliliter. Then 8 plus 3. We have to add first milliliters. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 8. After 11 you have to count your 8 fingers. Okay. So 11 plus 8. What is the answer to the addition 11 plus 8? 19. So what you will write here? 9 and 1 as a carry. Then 1 plus 4. 5. 5 plus 3. Yes, sorry, 5 plus 9, 5 plus 9, 14. Okay, so write here 4 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 2, yes, 9. Correct. So write here 9. Okay, now we'll add liters column. See here, how many liters we have here? 3 plus 9 plus 4. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 plus 4. Yes, after 12 count your 4 fingers. 12 plus 4, 16. So write here 6 and 1 carry. Then 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. Okay, so write here 5 and 1 carry. Then here 1 plus 2, 3. So the answer is 356 liter, 949 milliliter. Okay. Now see the sixth one. 728 liter and 370 milliliter plus 134 liter, 556 milliliter plus 22 liter and 220 milliliter. Now add the milliliters first. See here at one's place, here 0, here 6 and here 0 is there. So what is the addition? 6. Then 7 plus 5. Yes, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, so write here 4 and give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, so we will write here 1 and we will give a 1 carry. Then 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 4, 13. Then 13 plus 2, 15. Okay, So here we will write 5 and we will give 1 carry. Then 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 2 8, and here 7 plus 1 8. Okay. Here see students, 2 sums are remaining that you have to try to solve by your own. So today in this way we have completed exercise 5.14. In the next session we will see the remaining part. Thank you.